A woman named Brooke Wright quit her 9 to 5 with zero tech background and made over $100,000 in 6 months selling AI automation services. She is not an outlier anymore. This is a playbook anyone can follow in 2026. And today, I'm going to break down the exact framework step by step. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Here's the reality. Boston Consulting Group just published a study showing that 50 to 55% of U.S. jobs will be fundamentally reshaped by AI in the next 2 to 3 years. Another 10 to 15% will be eliminated entirely. But here's the part nobody talks about. Most businesses have absolutely no idea how to implement AI automation. They know they need it, they just cannot do it themselves. That gap between demand and capability is where your income lives. The fastest path to replacing your 9 to 5 is selling AI workflow automation as a service. You use no-code platforms like N8N, Make, or Zapier to build automated systems for businesses. Things like lead routing, customer support bots, invoice processing, and content repurposing. You charge a setup fee of $500 to $2,000 per workflow, then a monthly retainer of $500 to $2,000 for maintenance. With just 5 clients, that is $2,500 to $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. And you can build most of these workflows in a single afternoon.
Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? Here is the 3-phase framework. Phase 1, pick a niche you already understand. If you worked in real estate, build AI automations for realtors. If you were in healthcare, automate appointment scheduling and patient follow-ups. Your domain knowledge is your unfair advantage because you know the pain points. Phase 2, build one killer case study for free. Approach a local business, automate one workflow, document the results. If you save them 20 hours a week, that is your proof of concept. Phase 3, productize and scale. Turn that one workflow into a repeatable package you can sell to every similar business in the niche. The person who automates dental office scheduling can sell that same system to hundreds of dental practices. Now here is the next level. Once you have clients paying retainers, add AI chatbot services using tools like ManyChat or BotPress. Businesses pay $500 to $2,000 a month for a chatbot that handles customer inquiries 24/7. A fitness studio paying $1,000 setup plus $500 a month for a booking chatbot is a real example happening right now. Stack 10 of those, and you are at $5,000 a month in pure recurring revenue on top of your automation retainers. The AI agent market hit $5.4 billion in 2025 and is growing at 30% per year. The chatbot market alone will reach $12.5 billion by end of this year. You do not need to build the next ChatGPT. You just need to be the person who connects existing AI tools to real business problems. Your daily hack, go to n8n.io today, build one simple automation for a task you do at work, and screenshot the results. That is the start of your first case study. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.